Okay, I don't know what that was, but today, don't mind me, I know I look like a bum right now, but it's only because I didn't go to school today because of the whole fiasco that happened yesterday. But it's okay because I don't have practice today anyways, because we don't practice on Fridays. But anyways, oh, you already saw a little sneak peek of what it is. Yes, I'm still in my PJs. Should I get dressed? For what? For what? But we're gonna be trying. Can you hear that? It's my garage. Don't worry, it's just the garage doors. Kiwiberries from New Zealand. Eat when soft. Ew. But they basically look like, my mom brought these in yesterday. Let me put my perfume right there so it'll hold it. So my mom brought these in yesterday and she was like, we should try these. Blah, blah, blah. They're soft right now, but those look so, it just looks like a grape. And then there's like, some are a little browner than others. This is more like I don't know if that one's like eatable or not. I don't know. I don't want to eat this part. It's like scary. So we're probably gonna eat like right here. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god, the top just ripped. Well, peeled like a grape too. You guys will eat the top. It's so soft. Like I'd rather have crunch. It looks like a kiwi. Look. It's like a kiwi on the inside. And then a grape on the outside. The flavor, let me take another bite. Ew. It like squeezed everything out. Oh. Maybe I shouldn't do that. The aftertaste is like really sour, and then I need another bite. I don't really like the skin. It's like sweet and then it's sour after. It's like a kiwi, but in grape form. Oh, well, it's called a kiwiberry. I don't know. I definitely like normal kiwis a lot more than this. I mean, I could still eat them. It's like full of seeds. Like it literally on the inside, it looks like a kiwi. Here, let me chop one in half. I like those scissors, so. Ah! I don't know if you can see the inside looks like. Sorry, it's my stomach. Looks like a kiwi. It has a ton of seeds up in there. It's really mid. Here's all the guts. I don't know. That one tasted pretty good. Oh. I'm a picky eater too, so would not trust my judgment on these. I don't even like cheese. Cheese is literally never catch me. Ugh, can't. Huh? Wait, that one tastes good. Ooh, that one tasted really good. That one was like super sweet, and then like a hint of sour. Like, I don't know how to describe the flavor. If you ever had a kiwi, like, this is it. I like to just rip off the top, and then I'm gonna carve out the bottom because I don't like tasting those. It tastes like fresh. I don't know. I'm not gonna eat those last two. No, I'm just gonna put those back. Do with that later. Just the guts. Yeah, they're not. I think they're pretty good. Try some Kiwiberries from New Zealand. They're marked by Fresh Product Group, NZ, LTD. I don't know what that means. Oh, I think this is the address too. 114 Grace Road, Tauranga. Is that how you say that? 3112, New Zealand. Where's New Zealand at? How come I don't even know where New Zealand's at? You already know. They're off-brand, but they're still pineapples. Ingredients: taste, pineapple juice, citric acid. What is citric acid? I don't know. But I do know these are bomb. Where'd my fork go? Oh. Give you a little, oops. Pineapple. Ooh, it smells so good. I'm so excited for you. I keep hearing things up in there. Just to wash down the kiwi berry. That's what I like. Did I drop some? I don't know. These are super good. Those are good. But they're way better than these. I'll still choose grapes over those, and I probably still choose kiwis over those, but those last two that I ate, those ones were actually kind of good. Maybe it's because I was like eating them in smaller portions. This is what I needed. And today I'm gonna allow myself to eat pasta. Because sorry. Because before races, you should not always, it's good to eat pasta before, like the day before you have a race, so that you build up more calories. And your girl loves an excuse to eat pasta. Like, why would I not want to eat pasta? I love that hoe. Pasta is like she's like bae to me. Like, I would marry pasta if I could. I will marry. And I don't even want to get married. Sorry, I was looking at the calories. But it's not like I don't want to get married because I want to be a hoe. I don't want to get married because these guys don't deserve it. Like, I think I can really live life on my own. I really do not need a man to what? Like, what do I need you for if I could do everything you can do in life? Like, if I could get even further than a man, why would I need a man, you know? Like, I don't see the point, I guess. Like, eventually I will want to have kids, but I don't even need a man to have kids. Yeah, it's gonna cost a lot of money to, like, get, a sperm, oh, that was my hand, like, a sperm donor or something, but your girl does not need a man. Like, they're just making more and more reasons of us not to need them. I did see, I saw this TikTok earlier, and it was about, like, how, oops, it was about, like, how women take 9 months to have a baby, but then within those 9 months, men can literally can just impregnate a ton of women within those 9 months. So why do women need a birth control, and why are we making birth control for women and not men? Like, if we could figure out a birth controller for a woman, then can't we control men's hormones too? Like, isn't that, like, it's so true. Like, I don't want to say, like, I'm influenced by the internet right now, but, like, she's putting something together. Like, why is there only birth controls for women and then no birth controls for men when they're the ones getting women pregnant? But I'm not saying it's not the woman's fault too, because it's the woman's, in some cases it's the woman's fault, because some cases the women wanted to do that, you know, but in some cases the woman did not want to do that. It's just like, if you don't want to get a girl pregnant, then maybe you should have a birth control too, so that you're not getting girls pregnant. And same thing for women. If you don't want to get pregnant, then you should be on birth control if you don't want to get pregnant. Sorry. I don't know. I just think that would make a lot more sense if we had it for both sides. That way both people could pick. Because nobody should ever be saying too that men don't need birth control, or men, they can't make a birth control. Because birth control, it doesn't have to start within, like, your private. It can be your hormones, like how they have the shots. Make a shot for men too. Like, if, I'm not gonna say it's that easy, but it's like, I know it's capable. Like, you can do that. I don't know why they're not. Maybe I'll be the first person to make men's birth control. Who knows? I do want to be a biochemist. Except biochemists probably do not do, well, they don't do that kind of stuff. But it does include biology. Pineapples are so good. I don't know when this turned into, yes, they're from Walmart. I don't know when this turned into a thing about men's birth control instead. Oh. It's because I never wanted to get married. That's why. Like, what happened to the Kiwiberries? They're still right here. With my... Sorry, there's pineapple juice on top of it. I don't know, they're not bad. I would say to try them. Like, I don't know how much they are either, though, but try them. Why not? I don't think they're bad at all, but these are 10 times better. I feel like I just heard dishes moving downstairs. And nobody better not be doing my job by the dishes. I get really, like, those dishes are my job. I'm supposed to be doing those. Like, yeah, I need to get reminded to be doing dishes, but that's my job. I hate it when, like, any of the other girls in the house try to steal my job, because that's my job, you know? And I, like, feel bad, like, they're doing my job for me, and I rather do my job myself. Like, that's my job. It's not your job. You go sit, relax, okay? I will do the dishes. It's my job. If I can't, like, pay bills around here, the least I could do is do dishes. Oh, excuse me. Okay. I think that's it. Go. Oh, shoot. There's literally pineapple juice everywhere. Why is pineapple... I ate pineapples last night and it wasn't this messy. Ooh, vitamin D. Oh, it says 0%. I don't even know what vitamin D is, but I feel like that's something I should have. Go try some Kiwiberries. Maybe they're healthy or something. I don't know. Look up the health facts. I think, like, I could be doing this type of stuff too as a if I do, like, I don't know, I just want to do something sciencey, you know? Like, I can literally be, like, combining 2 fruits together to make a new one. I mean, that's what they're doing these days. They're making a ton of new, like, fruits and just, like, combining their DNAs together. Well, that's it for today. Peace, y'all.